Let me start with a simple question. Why does software delivery still feel slow, fragile, or stressful in many organizations? It's almost never a people problem. It's always process problem. DevOps is a modern way of building and delivering software by bringing development and operations together. It focuses on four things: speed, automation, reliability, and continuous improvement. In simple terms, DevOps helps teams go from code to customer faster and safer. Stay till the end where I walk you through the complete DevOps lifecycle from writing code all the way to monitoring applications in production, along with the key tools used at every stage. Welcome to Satish Tech Talk. Now let's see how this actually works in practice. DevOps is not a single tool or step. It's a continuous life cycle. We start by planning, then writing code, building it, testing it, releasing it, deploying it, operating it, and monitoring it. The most important part is at the end, feedback. That feedback loops back into planning, so every release makes the system better. Think of DevOps as a loop, not a straight line. This is where DevOps becomes real. The CI/CD pipeline. Every code change automatically triggers builds and tests. If something breaks, we know immediately. If everything looks good, the software moves closer to production safely. CI/CD removes any manual errors, speeds up delivery, and increases confidence in every release. Without CI/CD, DevOps simply can't scale. Now that applications are built and tested, we need them to run reliably. This is where containers and orchestration comes in. Docker packages the application and everything it needs. Kubernetes manages those containers, scaling them, restarting them, and keeping systems resilient. This allows teams to deploy confidently even at massive scale. Deploying the software to production isn't enough. We must understand how it's behaving in production. Infrastructure as code lets us manage environments reliably using tools like Terraform. Monitoring tools track performance and health. Logging tools tell us what actually happened. Together, they give teams real visibility into systems, not guesswork. Modern DevOps doesn't treat security as an afterthought. With Dev Security Ops, security scanning is built directly into the pipeline. Systems are continuously monitored. Alerts warn teams before users are impacted. Most importantly, feedback helps teams improve, release after release. This is where DevOps becomes a culture, not just a tool set. So far, we have looked at the DevOps process at a high level. Now let's walk through a complete DevOps lifecycle, from writing code all the way to monitoring applications in production. At each stage, I will call out real tools used in the industry so you can clearly connect concepts to practical, real-world usage. Everything starts with source control. This is where developers collaborate, track changes, and manage versions. Tools like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure repos, which will enable branching strategies, pull requests, code reviews. Think of this as a single source of truth for your code. Once code is committed, we move to the build stage. Build tools like Maven, Gradle, NPM, Yarn, Bazel will help to create packages. These tools will compile code, resolve dependencies, and create artifacts like jars or bundles. Now we move to the testing stage. Before we release anything, we validate quality and security. Testing tools like JUnit, TestNG, Selenium, SonarQube, SNYK will help in testing stage. This stage ensures we catch bugs, vulnerabilities, and code issues early before they reach production. Now comes the automation engine, CI/CD pipelines. Tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD, Azure Pipelines will help to release and deploy. These tools automate everything from build to deployment, so releases are faster and more reliable. Once deployed, the application needs an environment to run. Tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible will help environments, keeping them resilient. This stage handles scalability, infrastructure provisioning, and application runtime. Finally, we monitor everything in production. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, Neuralink, ELK Stack, Splunk will help to monitor applications. We track metrics, logs, and alerts to ensure performance and quickly resolve issues. So if you look at the full picture, DevOps is not just tools. It's a continuous loop of automation, collaboration, and feedback. Each stage connects to the next, enabling teams to deliver software faster, safer, and more reliably. That's all for today. I hope this session gave you a clear end-to-end understanding of DevOps and sets you up to explore DevOps tools with confidence. I'll see you all in the next session of Satish Tech Talk.